I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to collect bee propolis. Propolis, often called bee glue, is a fascinating resinous material that bees gather from trees and plants. They use it to seal gaps in their hive, sterilize the environment, and protect against pathogens. Collecting it can be a rewarding part of beekeeping, offering a valuable product with many uses. Let's explore the best ways to harvest this natural wonder. There are a couple of primary methods for collecting propolis. The simplest is scraping it directly from frames, inner covers, and other hive parts where bees have deposited it. Another popular and often more efficient method involves using a propolis trap. These traps are specially designed screens or grids that bees perceive as gaps needing to be filled, encouraging them to deposit propolis there. When scraping, use a hive tool to carefully remove propolis from surfaces without damaging the wood. For propolis traps, simply place them directly on top of your hive's frames, under the inner cover. Bees will naturally start filling the small openings. Once the trap is sufficiently filled, remove it from the hive. Freezing the trap for a few hours makes the propolis brittle, allowing you to easily crack it off into a container. After collection, you'll want to clean your propolis by picking out any larger pieces of wax or wood. Store your raw propolis in an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a sealed plastic bag. Keeping it in a cool, dark place, like a pantry or refrigerator, will help preserve its beneficial properties for an extended period. It's then ready for various uses, from crafting natural remedies to making polishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.